Adjudication is one of those processes every QS knows exists, but when it actually lands on a job, it suddenly feels fast. Very fast. Because unlike court or arbitration, adjudication runs on strict, short timeframes. What is adjudication? Well, adjudication is a fast-track dispute resolution method used in construction. It's backed by the Housing Grants, Construction and Regeneration Act 1996, and its whole purpose is simple. Keep cash flowing, avoid long disputes, and get a quick decision. And importantly, that decision must be complied with immediately. But before we start, if you need any help with an adjudication, whether you're putting together a referral or responding to one, we can support you with the process, the strategy, and the submission itself. If that's useful, reach out to us at metroun.co.uk or email us at support@metroun.co.uk. Okay, step 1. A dispute has to exist. This element has no fixed time frame. Usually, a claim is made and it's been rejected, ignored, or not properly dealt with. This stage can take weeks or months, but legally, once there's a clear disagreement, you're ready to go. Step 2. You need to check the right to adjudicate. And this can happen immediately, but it's really critical. Before you start, check, is this a construction contract? Does the dispute fall within adjudication? Are there contractual rules to follow? This step is often rushed, but mistakes here can lead to jurisdiction challenges later. Step 3 is to serve the notice of adjudication. And we're going to call this day 0. This is a start. This is the formal trigger. The notice needs to set out the dispute, the parties, and the remedy of the sort. And from this point, the clock is officially running. Step 4, appointing the adjudicator. This needs to happen within 7 days of the notice. An adjudicator must be appointed quickly. This is done usually via the contract or an adjudicator nominating party. If it's not agreed, the nomination bodies typically appoint within a few days. Step 5, serving the referral notice. This needs to happen within 7 days of issuing the notice. This is one of the most important deadlines. You must serve the referral notice within 7 days of the notice of adjudication. This includes full arguments, evidence, contract references, supporting documents. If you miss this, the adjudication can fall apart before it starts. Step 6, the response. This is typically within 7 to 14 days of the referral. The responding party submits their defence. This includes counter-arguments, evidence, often a jurisdiction challenge. Timing depends on the adjudicator's directions, but it's usually quite tight. There's very little time to build a case from scratch. Step 7 could happen, which is further submissions. And this is rolling over the next 1 to 2 weeks. There may be a reply from the referring party or a rejoinder from the responding party, plus questions from the adjudicator, requests for documents, sometimes a short hearing. Everything happens quickly and often overlaps. Step 8, we're looking at the decision. This happens within 28 days of the referral notice. This is a key statutory timeframe. They must reach a decision within 28 days. This can be extended to 42 days with the referring party's consent and extended further if both parties agree, but 28 days is the standard. Step 9 is compliance, and this needs to happen immediately. Once a decision's issued, it must be complied with straight away. This often means payment within a few days or action in line with the decision. There's no waiting around. There's potentially a step 10, which is enforcement if it's needed. And this can take weeks if things escalate. If the losing party doesn't comply, the winning party can go to court to enforce. UK courts are very supportive of adjudication, so unless there's a clear jurisdiction issue or a breach of natural justice, the decision will usually be enforced quickly. And here's why timeframes matter more than anything. This is where people actually get caught out. Adjudication isn't about having time to build the perfect case. It's about having your case ready already. Because once it starts, you have 7 days to submit your full case, the whole process is done within 28 days, and the outcome has immediate commercial impact. The simple version here is we have dispute, notice, that's on day 0, referral, day 7, the submissions that follow, decision, day 28, compliance. That's it. Adjudication isn't just a legal process. It's a pressure test of your records, notices, contractual understanding, and commercial awareness. Because when it kicks off, there's no time to fix things later. You either have the case ready, or you don't. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.